Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chatbase to build an AI chatbot from website content, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Chatbase, visit the official website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a Chatbot option. Choose the type of chatbot you want to create. Select the option to build a chatbot from website content. Enter the URL of the website you wish to use. Click on the Fetch Content button to extract relevant information. Review the content that has been pulled from your website. You can customize this content to better fit your chatbot's personality and purpose. Make sure to adjust any sections that may not be relevant or clear. Once satisfied, click on the Next button to proceed. Now, you will need to set up intents for your chatbot. Define what tasks or questions you want your chatbot to handle. Add possible user queries that would trigger these intents. For each intent, provide appropriate responses your chatbot should give. After setting up intents, navigate to the training section. Train your chatbot using the data you provided. Adjust any settings related to how responsive and accurate you want your chatbot to be. Once training is complete, preview your chatbot to see how it interacts. Test various user queries to ensure it responds accurately. If you notice any issues, return to the intents or training sections to make adjustments. Finally, click on the Publish option to make your chatbot live. You will receive a snippet of code to embed the chatbot on your website. Copy this code and paste it into the HTML of your site. Once the code is added, refresh your website to see the chatbot in action. Monitor interactions through the Chatbase dashboard for insights. Make continuous improvements based on user feedback and interactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.